Now here's another great idea of how to use up that abundant crop of tomatoes. You can actually take tomatoes and slowly roast them. This is probably the most delicious way to enjoy tomatoes. To slow roast tomatoes, typically you take the smaller ones. These tomatoes were originally sugar plum tomato. So basically all you do is you cut them in half horizontally. I mixed mine with some chopped up garlic, fresh rosemary and fresh oregano, and I cook them in the convection mode at 200 degrees. Be prepared, it takes quite a while, at least 2 hours, but probably closer to 3. Now use good olive oil because that makes them even more delicious. But really now the tomatoes are almost like candy. So what do you do with them? Well, they're delicious on scrambled eggs or in a burrito. You can always add a bit of chili spice if you like them a little bit spicy. But what I'm going to do is use them as a condiment. I have these thinly sliced chicken breasts that I have slathered with a little bit of special sauce. You can use mustard if you prefer. And then I've sprinkled grated Parmesan cheese over the top. I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to put them close to the top heating element so that the cheese will brown. And so basically, because the chicken is cut thinly, it will cook the chicken all the way through. I'm using 375. Now my oven's very powerful. You really have to get to know your oven when you try a new recipe because every oven is a little bit different. Doing this in a gas oven, for example, gas is extremely powerful. So you want to pay attention how close you put it to the top heating element. Anyway, once the chicken comes out, I'm going to serve it with these delicious slow roasted tomatoes and some of this beautiful spinach. I'm going to saute it quickly. That I found at the farmer's market yesterday. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So, slow roasted tomatoes, takes a bit of time. Such a big payback for the time though. They are delicious. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.